Good morning, everybody. Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we got a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara Rocky Ridge, stock number 28434T. It's blue in color, as you can see. It is the new JL with the new LED headlights. The front bumper with the 20-inch LED lights. 10,500 pound synthetic winch. It's got the red hooks there. .35-inch Mickey Thompson tires on an 18-inch wheel. Black steel step bar. On the inside, this vehicle's loaded. Power windows and locks. Leather seating. Steering wheel controls for your voice commands and cruise control. Touch screen. Center console, some cup holders. Some storage there. You can open it up, extra storage down inside. Back seat. It's got a fold down console here with cup holders. You got speakers up in the bar up top. Rocky Ridge has put a new full-length bumper on this. Tow hook. The rear backup camera and the tire mounted. Black Flowmaster exhaust tips. Again, we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara Rocky Ridge 28434T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come see me at Paul Sherry Chrysler in beautiful Piqua, Ohio, or give me a call at 937-778-0830 extension 1129, or visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.